this is part 2 of White Noise. Still on 4 tapes. Yes! Yes! Oh no! Oh no! Oh god! I know you're there. Fuck it. No! It's one of them rocks. Fuck off! No! 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 I heard about these rocks. I heard about them. It said if you go near them, it knows you're there. It's like, whoa, mate. It's like you're a fucking wanker. Fuck off, will you? Did you fuck it? Cheeky bastard. Turn around, hey! No! Oh my god, he's right there. He's right there! He's right behind me! Oh, pack up! Yeah. I think I might die in the first 5 minutes, guys. Watch, turn around. Fucking told you. I know he's there. I can hear him. It's like you can hear him growling. It's just like it's not. Yeah, it's not a dog, man. But man, this is scary. I'm stood in a massive circle. Guess what, guys? Bing! Oh, maybe not. No, it's more like a frying noise. Oh, hell no. Oh my god, I'm sorry I'm not talking. Oh, you're joking me. I'm at the end. I'm at the end. Alright, let's fucking sort this out. Come on, yeah. Come on! Fucking twat. 5 out minute, guys. Not that bad. Oh, is this like a map? Oh, class. I don't think you can see. Yeah, you can't see this, guys. Alright, I just went. Oh, it's like a shoe. Class, it's like a shoe. Oh, that's where I went wrong. I went in a massive circle. And then I was like, no, right, and then he like tries to get me. Tries to get me, and I'm like, no way, Ozzy. Yeah. Yeah, and that was White Noise, guys. Goodbye.